Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. Today I'm going to do a kind of like a vlog. I'm going to show you guys the project that my husband's working on. I'm going to share with you guys what that is. And then I also did a bunch of hauls that I didn't get to take a picture of the hauls or show you guys the hauls. But we went to I forgot the name of that grocery store. It's by J Avenue. It's in the plaza. It's a Japanese grocery store. So we went there the other day, and then the other day we went to the Thai Asian food store as well. We picked up a few things, and we didn't, you know, I told you guys we don't film it not unless like it's like a big haul. It was like just a few snacks, chips, drinks. We also got some sake, you know, things like that, and some seafood, regular stuff. And then we went to J Avenue, and we picked up a few cooking items because our sons, they have their own apartment now, so they needed a few things for their place. So they wanted to get some Japanese furniture, kitchen stuff, things like that. So we went by J Avenue. But other than that, I'm going to show you guys what we're working on. My husband's trying to work on the Camaro. That's his new project for right now. And since it's a pretty day, you know, I'm going to go ahead and film what he's doing. So in the crock pot right now, I have some beef stew that I picked up from Walmart. I think I just took pictures of the haul. Like I said, if it's just the regular stuff that we pick up, I don't show you guys the haul. But with that being said, I'm going to take you guys outside and we'll work on the Camaro.
I think I got the right bolts. Well, only about 80 of them on here.
What are you working on?
Huh?
What are you working on?
Camaro.
Camaro, what kind?
2002 with the V6 option.
What are you what have you taken apart?
Nonsense. Absolute nonsense. Wires, sensors, thermostat, smog control, coil pack, injectors, parts of my flash. Trying to get the top intake off so I get to the bottom intake, which seems like a logical step.
Now, where did you get that tool set?
AUTOZONE, it's right there.
AUTOZONE. That's Duralast, ain't it? And it has all the tools you need for the most part.
There's a couple.
Yeah, it's like a little suitcase, you guys. Oh, I'm not gonna shut it, but it's like a suitcase full of tools.
Get around it.
What are you trying to change?
There's a gasket. Where are you in the bottom of this thing? Basically, if you take the top half of the motor, cut it off, where those valve covers are, there would be a gasket that I guess a long time ago GM knew was bound to fail or something. I guess if I read right. And after a while it dumps antifreeze in your oil, which is no bueno. It's been known to destroy a lot of these motors.
So this is what he's taking apart, you guys. All this stuff here. And he's cleaned out some. It's in the house. And here's some more tools that he's using. And he picked this up from some older fella. I guess he didn't really feel like working on the car, right, huh?
I don't think it had the issue then, or at least it didn't seem like it. I don't know. Could have just been my luck.
No, that was bound to break when after you got the car.
Yeah, probably. That's my story. I mean, I didn't see any signs of it happening.
If you need me to reach in there, I can reach in there for you, hon.
I already cleared out all the little things that were trying to kill me yesterday. So,
Yeah, my husband's real good about fixing cars, you guys.
I used to be when I was smaller.
That's why I said I can do it for you if you want me to.
We'll see.
So,
see on the front of this where that throttle body was?
yeah.
Oh, right here where all this dirt is. All that carbon. The whole inside of the throttle body looked like that.
So what is the goal? To take what piece off?
I just told you I have to take this off and then there's a piece underneath it.
Oh, shoot. That's going to take a minute, won't it?
Kind of down to the fun part now. Just gotta get the rest of the nonsense out of the way.
How do you know which ones to take out?
I studied some pictures, watched some incomplete videos on YouTube. Seems everybody that does these has a Firebird. Firebirds were out about this far, so you don't have to reach this far up under the firewall, which is what I'm doing now, reaching under the firewall, and you don't get cut up and you can see better. But the Camaro, they decided to hide the little engine. It's a big secret. Where's the engine? Shh, it's a Camaro. It's hidden.
Well, once you're ready to pull it out, let me know. And then the guy over there, he's fixing his vehicle too, you guys.
He's got a, what the hell is it?
Flat tire?
Oh, it's a Corvette.
Oh, he's working on a Corvette.
It's the parking lot of Birkin Chevys at the moment. Beside it's a Birkin Malibu. In all fairness, I don't think any of them been taken care of.
By previous owners? Yep. It happens, doesn't it?
I think I'm ahead of the curve here. Maybe.
Well, I'm gonna do what Mr. Terry did. He made his yard look nice. I'm gonna get my shears later. I already started in the backyard.
Okay, so there's those bolts. Have anything hidden on the back? I probably do.
If you got some more bolts to take out and you're ready to pull that out,
I do.
I can restart the video, right? Because you're just still taking the screws out. You're not going to show when it comes out yet, right?
Can I reach it?
They like your mukbang. Our mukbang. We got some,
Go Gadget Fat Arms.
a few, I got some likes on the video.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I like fat people that eat.
Honey, everyone that does mukbang, for the most part, they just like it to
Maybe
watch
if I
people.
move this, does that come out?
Don't mess it up. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna pause the video and then come back when he's done with
That's
these.
gotta be removable, right?
I have no idea.